Are you feeling blue? Well, it's hard to feel blue around these plants here at Vivetto Growers. Today we're going to be talking to you about the color blue. Over here we have a Peruvian cirrus. So this is a really cool columnar cacti. Gonna need some protection from a freeze, but it has this really cool blue-green coloration to it. Can get pretty tall if you let it, and it has night blooming flowers that come out to be maybe just about that big, and they're white. Super pretty. They attract all sorts of pollinators, so if you're up late at night or up early in the morning, you might be able to catch a glimpse of their flowers. Super cool.
Definitely worth it.
Definitely worth waking up early. Over here we have the Pugster Blue Buddleia. So it's a type of butterfly bush. This one has a whole bunch of little flowers that turn into one longer looking, almost like a cone-shaped flower. Very cool. Attracts all sorts of pollinators with bees and butterflies mostly. It has very deep green foliage too, so it can add a really cool contrast when you have other things in your garden, like this next plant I'm talking about. This here is the Greg's Mist Flower. This is a very cool plant. Gets about 2 to 3 feet tall and wide. Can spread a little bit if you let it, but do give it some ample space in your garden bed. This attracts all sorts of pollinators, mostly butterflies. So butterflies, like the
queen monarch.
Yeah, the
they
queen
love it.
and the monarch butterflies, when they're passing through, they absolutely love this.
Yeah.
We have a little itty bitty guy that just landed on him now. But they have these kind of bluish purple flowers, little pom-pom likes that they cluster up at the tips of the long stalks, so they'll be kind of above the foliage. Butterflies, bees, they just dance all over it all day long. Has this really cool bright green foliage, so can also brighten up a space. Does full sun, part sun, so you can't really go wrong with this one if you're trying to do a butterfly garden or just attracting any kind of pollinator.
Another great pollinator, you know, here at Vivero, we love all types of pollinators, bees, butterflies, all that kind of stuff. This is another really great one that you can add to your garden. It's a really good perennial. It's called the plumbago. This is the blue one. We also carry a white. This blue one is spectacular, though. It gives you a lot of really nice color. This one will get like 2 to 4 feet, and it's going to love like a part sun to a full sun kind of spot. And then this last one here that we have, this is a Scabra agave. So this is a really nice cold hardy agave. This one will get like 4 by 4, so it can get pretty big. And it also likes to put out little pups, so it's really good to like fill out if you're doing like a xeriscape or just like a cacti kind of garden. It's a great one to incorporate. Thank you for watching. Let us know which one was your favorite. We'd love to hear back from you. Just leave a comment down below, and we'll catch you next week. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.